Um, let's start one or two. This is my product inventory PI render. Let's try to take some out. This is our get product. Okay, now we're focusing on authentication. Okay. Now let's try to get all products. Get all products execute. Okay, where it's from here you're not authorized to. So without authorization you can't access it. Right here, if you want to create a supply also file house, then try to do something right now. See, you are not no to provided that means you're not authorized. Let's try to check on to execute get open. See, to provided that to cannot with the file something. See, no token provided as well. Okay, let's try to from here. Let's try out. Let me try to log in. I already created I'll create an account already. Let me just try to log in. Okay, what's up? Okay, I already have an account. So I'll create an account already. Uh, should request. I'm logged in. You have to copy this document. You have to copy it. Go to authorization. See, authorize. See that from here now. Let's just get our suppliers. Success. So that is it. Okay. Let me just create a new supplier. Let me try to create a new supplier. Okay. Try to create something. Okay. So, okay. Try to do this. Okay. Look at I've created. Remember, initially you weren't able to create because of authorization. Now, let me try to copy this ID. Copy because this ID. That's what I'm updating, updating. Yeah, when I'm trying to update now, let me try to do something. Copy this ID. Let me like change the to or something like James. James, yes. Just something like also some change to some tag of this file. So okay, let me just back some category. See, sort of update category successful. Okay, still on the same ID. Let them try to let them try. Supplier photographing supplier first group let them try to okay. Get all the interest, all the group name. Okay, let me try it as last class. Sure. type of um, school touch. Okay. Let's try to supply ID. Okay. Supply. Let me use the previous ID that I have. You have to copy ID from previous supplier. So before you register an event, you're supposed to register the supplier before that. So still on. Let me paste it. Let me, okay. Sorry. Supplier not found. Um, supplier not because of the ID that I've deleted it already. Now I remember I've deleted it already. Sorry. Let me get. I remember the ID already. Okay, let me copy this ID. That's all I have the field there. For that ID, I've deleted it. Let me copy this ID. But, okay, what is it? Okay, let me continue. Now we can see it. Which is happening because the other ID I've deleted that is it. It's still on the same. Let me copy this and let me copy this. Let me copy the ID. Not supply ID. This ID already, not the supply ID. Try to copy. Okay. Let me try to copy this ID. And let me try to get sync. Try to get sync. Where's the ID? Execute system. Okay. Now I'm going to let me try to update the ID. Okay, let me try to put as a throughout the same same from that. But let's try this. So that is it. From our previous, this is our the notification. Notification.